My name is Ian Torres. I am doing a presentation about a particular primate species called the Galata baboons. They are basically a baboon species that lives in the Ethiopian mountains near the highlands on the flat plateaus and grassy areas of the terrain. And basically they're big and stocky baboons that look like they have a light brown face, dark brown skin, and they have a red crest on their chest that looks like a hourglass. Their diet is mainly composed of eating grass, which is like the only primate species that is known to have their diet mostly graze. So they eat grass, flowers, weeds, and maybe some kinds of insect. And they don't really have much competition between food except for maybe the local grazing animals there like ibexes, duikers, etc. And they have no competition between other primates since they're the only species that eat grass continuously for their diet. Now, like I said, they live in the Ethiopian mountains in Africa, and that's the only place they are found. And basically, they live on the low or flat plains of the plateaus at the high altitudes. And these altitudes also have constant rain. So there will be a constant supply of food, which is grass mostly. So grass, bushes, flowers. And where they sleep is that they sleep on the slopes and cliffs of certain mountains and plateaus. And they just sleep on the ledges right there. Yeah. Baboon physiology, like I said, I told you they are big, stocky. And their tails are shorter than their body span, and so they're not like other monkeys or baboons. And also, their hands are different from other monkeys as well. Their hands are much more posable than other primates, in which they can dig for food or seeds, because that's their favorite food, and then maybe climb as well, but mostly dig. And then their face structure is more akin to a chimpanzee than a baboon, which could correlate to them being related to chimpanzees, depending. And yeah. Their social structure, though, is quite flexible. They usually socialize with their own members, but they also socialize with other primates, other baboons, and a varvet kind of primate. They mostly hang with baboons, though, and varvets are much more separate from them than the baboons are. So they're pretty open about it. And that is. Oh yeah, for the physiology, they have like heaps of hair, which males mostly have the hair, and that is it. Any questions or comments? Put it down below the video.